Today, we're putting the Middle European Winter Goodyear UltraGrip Performance 3 against the all-season Goodyear Vector 4Seasons Gen 3 head-to-head. Both tires have the elusive three-peak mountain logo. Can the all-season Vector match up to a specialist winter tire? Let's dive in. Throughout this comparison, you'll see performance metrics represented in percentages, with the Goodyear UltraGrip Performance 3 set as the reference point at 100%. Starting with wet performance, in braking, the Vector 4Seasons Gen 3 came out on top, stopping 0.6 meters shorter than the UltraGrip at 51.9 meters. Handling, same story, the Vector took the lead, shaving a full second off the UltraGrip's lap time. But straight-line aquaplaning was all about the UltraGrip, reaching a slipping speed of 79.4 kilometers per hour compared to the Vector's 76.5 kilometers per hour. When we turn to snow, though, the UltraGrip shines. It stops 0.3 meters shorter in snow braking and outpulls the Vector with 3,259 newtons of traction force. Plus, in snow handling, the UltraGrip clocked in over 2 seconds faster on the track. Here, the winter-specific design proves its advantage, but the Vector held its ground better than expected. In dry conditions, the Vector 4Seasons Gen 3 shows its versatility, stopping 1.5 meters shorter in braking and completing the lap 1.5 seconds faster than the UltraGrip. Dry handling clearly favors the all-season, delivering a significant edge in summer-like conditions. In terms of noise, it's nearly a draw, with the UltraGrip slightly quieter at 72.2 decibels compared to the Vector's 72.7 decibels, hardly noticeable in real driving. Rolling resistance, however, favors the Vector 4Seasons, offering marginally better fuel efficiency for everyday drivers. In summary, the Middle European Winter Goodyear UltraGrip Performance 3 excels in snow, which is kinda expected, but with slim margins. On the other hand, the all-season Goodyear Vector 4Seasons Gen 3 impressed in the wet and dry, and it's more fuel efficient, making it a versatile, year-round option. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.